Okay, favourite houseplant, Epipremnum pinnatum aureum, or devil's ivy. The thing I like about this plant is that a single cutting can be grown into a new plant. It roots well in anything, including water, and it also grows with incredible vigour in very low light. So we have lots of it around the house here in lots of different pots, and this variegation can be quite pronounced, or it can be fairly insignificant, but it's a very useful and durable plant for low light. Favourite house plant? Well, there's a few here, but rather than look at something healthy, let's look at something more interesting. Calathea macoiana, the peacock plant. Not looking too good after I repotted it about 2 weeks ago. This particular plant doesn't like repotting, so I don't know why I did it. It might recover, sometimes referred to as the prayer plant, and in fact this will probably need a prayer if it's going to survive. Otherwise, off to the compost.